Welcome back to MooMooMath. Today we're finishing lesson 1 on geometry vocab and tangent theorems. Okay, let's read through this tangent theorem. It says, in a plane, a line is tangent to a circle. So in other words, a line touches a circle in one spot if and only if the line is perpendicular to the radius. So when you have a line and it's tangent to the circle, it's also going to be perpendicular, which means forms a right angle with the radius. Okay, so let's look at a picture of that, and then but the endpoint of that radius, remember, lands on the circle. So here we've got a picture of it, and that means this angle right here is going to be a right angle because we have a tangent line. So anytime you have a tangent and a radius and they intersect, there must be a right angle. Thus, a right angle can be formed with a radius and a tangent. Okay, once you draw that right angle in, you can see, oh wow, I have created a right triangle. So when you're dealing with tangents and circles, you're going to have right angles all the time. So make sure you draw those in and you look for right triangles. Okay, so let's look at the examples here. It says find the value of x. AB is a radius, so here's my radius. That must mean A is the center of circle O, and BC is tangent to circle O. So I've got my line of tangency there. Now, we've got a right triangle, so I need to find a missing side. All I'm going to do here is use the Pythagorean Theorem, where this is a leg, and AC is my hypotenuse because it is opposite the right triangle. So I'm going to use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So my A is X, my B is 15, and my C is 18. So let's grab a calculator and let's solve it for X. Okay, 18 squared is 18 times 18, and that's 324. And then 15 times 15 is 225. Yeah, 225. And I'm bringing down my X squared. And then I'm going to subtract 225 from both sides. So let's take 324 minus 225, and that leaves me with 99. So over here I have x squared equals 99. To undo a square, I square root both sides. So I'm going to take the square root of 99, and that's 9.9, and I'm going to round that to 5. So x is equal to 9.95. And that's the decimal. Now let's think about how to simplify a square root of a radical. How to simplify square root of 99. Well, I'm going to break that down to 9 times 11. And 9 is a perfect square of 3. So it's going to be 3 root 11. So there's the radical answer also. So that means my radius is 9.95. Or if you simplify as a radical, is 3 radical 11.